Selling an inherited property in Chicago? Here's what to know. Inheriting a property can bring a mix of emotions. For many families, it represents memories, history, and sometimes a big responsibility. Along with those emotions comes an important decision. What should happen to the property? In many situations, the home becomes part of a trust or estate, and the responsibility for managing it falls to a trustee or executor. Often, the next step is deciding whether to keep the property or sell it. Selling an estate property, however, can be more complicated than a traditional home sale. There may be legal documents to review, multiple family members involved in decisions, and questions about the property's current market value. That's why having a clear process is important. The first step usually involves confirming legal authority to sell the property. The trustee or executor must be legally authorized through trust documents or the probate process before the sale can move forward. Once that authority is established, the next step is determining the home's market value. This is typically done through a comparative market analysis that reviews recent home sales in the same neighborhood. Understanding the correct market value helps ensure the property is listed competitively while still maximizing its potential return. After the value is determined, the property is prepared for sale. This may involve cleaning, staging, organizing the space, or making small improvements that make the home more attractive to buyers. Once the home is ready, it is listed and marketed to the market, allowing qualified buyers to discover the property. As offers begin to come in, the negotiation process begins. The goal is to review each offer carefully and select the one that provides the strongest overall terms. Finally, the process moves toward closing, where the property is officially transferred to the buyer and the transaction is completed. Many estate properties in Chicago are located in established neighborhoods like Dunning, Portage Park, Belmont Cragin, Jefferson Park, and Montclare, which often attract strong buyer interest. Handling a trust or estate property sale can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right preparation and professional guidance, families can move through the process smoothly while ensuring the property is sold efficiently and responsibly. Connect with Antonio Sarmiento today for expert guidance through every step of the selling process.